Hello everyone, welcome back to a girly vlog, and this one is gonna be all about my Sunday reset routine. I love doing a reset before the week begins, and I figured I would take you guys along on what I love to do. I just came back from the grocery store and running a few errands. I thought it'd be fun to do a little grocery haul when I get to start off my week, my favorite groceries, and then I also stopped at a few other places that I'll do a quick little haul from. But I figured I would take you around my house, show you how I reset my home, get it all ready for the week. I just love doing it, especially on Sunday. I hope this inspires you as well to do like a reset routine, either at the end of a week or at the start of a week. And I just love starting out fresh. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Sprouts. I just came home from Sprouts. Okay, here's everything I got at the grocery store. So I thought I'd show you guys before I put any of it away. So we'll start over here in the meats. I have been trying to get more red meat in my diet. So I got the grass-fed beef from Sprouts. It's like the best. And I love it so much. I've really actually been getting back into it because I haven't had red meat in a while. And then this turkey bacon I love for like breakfast on, I'm gonna try it on these waffles because I buy the pre-made waffle sandwiches from Sprouts in the past, but I thought maybe I could make it on my own, and I totally forgot to get eggs this time. I also got some beef hot dogs. I love the Applegate brand. The Sprouts, the chicken salads are really good. So I got the Harvest one this time. It has like cranberries, I think, and like nuts in there. Okay, I've been obsessed with this. I saw someone on TikTok show like making these and then just drizzling balsamic vinegar and is it balsamic or no, red wine vinegar and olive oil and then salt and pepper. And it's so good. It's like a salt and vinegar, like crispy, not like, it's supposed to mimic like a chip, and they're so good. I could eat like a half a thing of these romaine things in like one sitting. So I bought 2 sets of these romaine leaves because you need like a really crunchy lettuce. And then I got these for salads, baby arugula, and I've been now really enjoying butter lettuce mixed in. So I got butter lettuce and arugula to mix into salads throughout the entire week. And then we'll do these 2 frozen things next. I got the crinkle cut fries. This is like the best brand if you want like a nice, easy, quick and easy option, but without seed oils. The only ingredient in here is literally just potatoes and then olive oil or avocado oil, either one. But it's amazing, and these are so good in the air fryer. The rice, this is another just easy, I just love easy things, especially if I'm like cooking up like all the meats and stuff. It's just easier for me, so sometimes I like to take a shortcut, and I just microwave and it tastes delicious. It's the saffron rice one. This is the brand Path of Life. It's so good. Shredded carrots for my salads. I just love a good salad. I got some lemons this time to make dressing, but sometimes I'll do the pre-made dressing from Sprouts. I got bananas, maybe for some smoothies this week I was thinking, and then some avocados. I got 1 sweet potato, and then some fresh, every single week I get fresh strawberries and 1 or 2 blueberries. This time they looked pretty decent. Hopefully they're good. Sometimes they've been a little sour lately, but last week's were so sweet and good, so I got 2 because I'm hopeful that they're gonna be like the same. The Sprouts Just Beets in the like pre-made dinner section, that kind of thing, in the deli area. These are so amazing. They're literally just beets in a container, and they're delicious. I put these on salad. Sometimes I'll just literally eat them on their own as a snack. They're just so good. And I just love the taste of beets. I got some green apples. I got Honeycrisp apples. The red peppers did not look good this time, so I got an orange pepper. I don't know, they didn't look that great. Okay, and then for milk, okay, so I got 4 cashew milks because I use this for my matchas, but they were buy one get one free this week, which is insane because they're like normally like $6 or something. So to get buy one get one free, it's like $3 a piece only, and these are shelf stable. So and they're only 2 ingredients. This is why I love this brand, because the ingredients are literally just filtered water and cashews. I mean, there's so many non-dairy milks that have gums and things in them, like fillers and additives, and you don't want that. This is just really good quality, and they're buy one get one free. So I took advantage and got 2 sets of them for buy one get one free. So I have them on hand for my matchas every morning. And then this was just, I couldn't not get this. And this is a gluten-free cupcakes. I don't get this every week, but it is like an 80-20 lifestyle for me with food. So I mean, I'm always gluten-free, but once in a while I do like a little sweet treat. So I just couldn't pass it up. I got coconut water for smoothies. Again, this I'm trying not to drink as much, but once in a while now I will. And then the almond butter. Okay, these are like a new find. This is the brand, and they're gluten-free maple almond butter filled pretzel nuggets. They're so good. They're so addicting. Maple syrup for my matcha. Okay, these were like new items that are just random that I was just like in a mood of buying, I guess, today, like new things. And so I got these crackers. They're gluten-free. They look good, the hot honey. And then I was also in a cracker mood with these, I guess. This was like the theme. Because I like it, even like a cracker with chicken salad, like it's really good too. And then I just figured I would try these. So I can't say anything about the crackers because I've never tried them. This just looks really good. And again, I don't always buy a baking mix, but I just thought it was cute. I don't know if I'll have time this week to make that, but sometime I just thought I'd grab it. These I like to have on their protein cookies, and they're made with coconut sugar. And then I also just got my protein. These are turkey sticks, and I love having these as a quick snack. And I'm trying to get my protein up, so I thought that was good. Some just chips to have on hand as like a little lunch side or something. Cashews, they have not had these lately, so I got 2 of them to have a stock. And then just some paper napkins and paper towels. I don't normally get them from Sprouts because I think they're a little expensive, but I'm very low on paper towels and I have them ordered online. I think I ordered some from Amazon and they're not coming till Wednesday, so I figured this will like last me in the meantime, and I like to get the dye-free. My least favorite spot to clean in my kitchen. Link below in the comments what yours is. But the stove, my gas range, definitely mine. Here's a quick little haul of everything I got today. This is all from like Marshall's and Dollar Tree, and then also TJ Maxx. So first up are these really cutesy little socks. I thought they were darling. And they just are a big pack of all these girly socks. Then, okay, these I saw on TikTok and I'm like, I have to find these, and I'm so excited I found them. So they're mini plates. Like, look at my hand for reference how tiny they are. They're so cute. So I got 2 sets. They're indoor, outdoor, like melamine, and they're dishwasher safe and stuff. So I thought these were so cute. So I got 2 sets for entertaining. And then these are like a little bit of a bigger regular size plate. These are just the florals, and they're very shabby chic and so cute together. I got this notebook. I thought it was so pretty. It's very like Love Shack vibes. And then I just wanted to get 1-pound weights because I've been looking for some extras. And then, okay, if you've never shopped in the like gift wrapping section at Marshall's, like TJ Maxx, that kind of place, Home Goods, definitely check it out if you're looking for really nice wrap. So I stocked up on some gift bags. So I found this one with the bows. This one I just thought was very Swifty coated, like with friendship bracelets. I thought it was so cute. This is a pretty bag. I may use this like for my mom for Mother's Day gift, or even like this one with the scallops and the floral. So cute. and really nice quality. And these run from like $2.99 to like this is $3.49, and this is a pretty nice size. And then I got this larger happy birthday one with these like vintage looking cakes on them. And then a lot of these come with tissue paper too, so it's like all in one, like ready to go wrap. They even have like the 2 from if you wanted to. It's so darling. I love it. So I got that. I have to put all this away, which is part of like my reset because I don't want all this laying around my house. I did pick these up from my mom because she mentioned this morning to me that this is all Dollar Tree by the way, but she mentioned that for her egg hunt that she was low on eggs. So now that she has 5 grandchildren this year, she needs some extra eggs for her egg hunt that she does every single year, which is so cute. With my mom and dad, they do their egg hunt for their grandkids. And then I also picked these up. I may give them to my mom to use as like some smaller egg hunt prizes. She has like a lot of the bigger prizes, but just for little extra things, she could either use them or I could have them for my nieces and nephews. So this was so cute. My niece loves Minnie Mouse. I thought this would be so cute for my nephew. He loves animals and stuff. I thought this was so cute. And then this is just another little Easter themed one, coloring and activity book. And then this I got because recently for my niece's birthday, I got her this like stroller, and I wanted to wrap it in this like big giant gift bag. Like you could get these on Amazon, but they were like anywhere from $5 to $10 on Amazon, and this was $1.25. So I'm like, you know, I'm gonna have one of these on hand for the future for any gifts that are like bigger gifts for kids. I am so excited about this package that came in the mail. It's from one of my favorite small businesses, Fate Naturals, a non-toxic candle company. Launched their new spring line and their spring scents, and I'm waiting to dig into this for this video just because I thought I would do like a first impression. I started to open the first one. I'm like, wait, I should open this on camera. None of these give me a headache. Like if I ever had a Bath and Body Works candle or any of like the Airwick or Glade plugins, like they just automatically give me a headache. Okay, I want to include the scent descriptions because I am terrible at explaining scents. So Coastal Cottage, it says, where rocky shores meet crisp ocean air, this scent captures the essence of New England summers. So let's try it. Ooh, I really like that one. Next up is Beach Bonfire, the perfect candle to transport you to a cozy night by the beach with the crackling sounds of a warm bonfire. Charred driftwood and smoky sandalwood embers and sea salt. That smells really good. I was not expecting to like this one as much as I am not as much of a coconut fan, but this smells really good. This is grapefruit basil. It's bright, juicy, and effortlessly refreshing. Sun-ripened grapefruit bursts with citrusy sweetness balanced by the green earthiness of fresh basil. This is the perfect scent for spring cleaning. Okay, this one actually, maybe this would be my favorite. We'll see. Ooh, that is good. This is a really good one. Not overly sweet or anything. Blueberry muffin. Actually picked blueberries in a squeeze of bright lemon blend with creamy butter and fluffy vanilla, creating the perfect balance of tart and sweet. Warm golden and so comforting. It is the scent of a sunlit kitchen where every bite feels like a little taste of home. Sounds like it's gonna be like a cozy scent. Julie knocked it out of the park with these scents. I can't now pick a favorite. Smells like you just bake blueberry muffins in your kitchen. All right, last one is Yuzu Blossom. Airy jasmine petals blend with this gentle sweetness of yuzu blossoms, creating a light floral fragrance with a hint of citrus. Warm amber adds a smooth golden depth, wrapping everything in a subtle glow. I'm a major fragrance floral girly, so I'm really excited about this one. I love the smell of jasmine. It reminds me of when I went to Charleston one year, and it just, all the jasmine blooms smelled so fragrant and so amazing. So let's see. I really like that one. It truly is a soft floral scent. I do have a discount code with Fate Naturals. Like I said, none of this is sponsored. I just love supporting small businesses, and Julie, who is the owner, like I said, is the sweetest. So I always love shouting out her business with you guys because it truly is like amazing non-toxic fragrances for your home. And all these, by the way, I should have said come in wax melts. I always get wax melts, and I'm definitely gonna have to order my favorite scents in the wax melts. freshly showered, and there's no better feeling when you just did a whole reset. You have fresh PJs, fresh sheets. These are the PJs I'm wearing tonight. I love them. They're like a little ditzy floral. They're so comfy and cute. I'm gonna start reading once I slip under the covers. I love this devotional, so I read this every night. Going through this pretty quickly. I just started it and just a few days ago, and I love it so much. I read the first book, which is like, I don't know if it's exactly a series. It's kind of based on the last book, like some of the same characters, but it's by Abby Jimenez, and the first one I read was Part of Your World, and that one was so good. So I recommend starting with Part of Your World first and then this one. But I'm gonna slip on my PJs because I'm in my robe right now after my shower, my everything shower. Of course, everything shower after you do a reset. And then I'm gonna read my book, and I'm also just gonna put this on for some like background TV, my little TV stand. But I hope you guys enjoyed this reset, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.